Life after 50 feels different, doesn't it? Your energy drops, muscles feel softer, and somehow the weight sneaks on faster. Sound familiar? Maybe you've started wondering, is this just aging, or can I actually do something about it? It's not just you. Your body's needs shift with age, and nutrition plays a bigger role than ever. Understanding these changes can unlock a vibrant, healthier you. But before we jump in, drop a quick comment and tell me your age. I love knowing who I'm talking to. It helps me create videos that really speak to you. Let's talk about why this happens and how the right vitamins can help you stay strong, sharp, and full of life. What happens to men over 50? First off, testosterone levels begin to drop. This can lower your sex drive, drain your energy, and make building muscle harder. Low testosterone also makes it easier for fat to build up, especially around the belly. Then there's bone health. As you age, your bones can get thinner, which raises the risk of fractures. You might notice more aches or stiffness in your joints, slowing you down a bit. Then comes muscle loss. You start losing muscle faster, even if you're fairly active. This can lead to weakness, poor balance, and a higher chance of injury. Your heart health becomes more fragile. Blood pressure tends to rise and cholesterol can become a concern. Without care, your risk for heart disease and stroke goes up. Memory and focus may start to slip. You might notice brain fog or feel like your thinking isn't as quick as it used to be. It can affect your confidence and how sharp you feel day to day. And finally, your immune system weakens. You may find yourself getting sick more often or taking longer to recover. A slow immune response can make you feel drained and vulnerable. How the right vitamins can help. Here's the thing, aging is a part of life, but feeling old isn't. With the right approach, you can stay vibrant, active, and strong. Let's talk about some key vitamins and nutrients that can make a big difference. So, what can you do? Let's start with vitamin D. This is a powerhouse. It supports testosterone production, strengthens your bones, and keeps your immune system on point. It also helps your body absorb calcium to keep your muscles and bones in top shape. Next is vitamin B12. This vitamin keeps your muscles moving, your nerves sharp, and your energy flowing. It also supports brain health and helps prevent memory problems. You also need calcium. It works with vitamin D to protect your bones and keep them solid. Strong bones mean you stay active and reduce your chances of painful fractures. Now, let's talk about magnesium. This nutrient is like a multitasker. It supports muscle health, keeps your heart rhythm steady, and even helps with testosterone. Plus, it can improve your sleep and ease those annoying muscle cramps. Don't forget omega-3 fatty acids. These are fantastic for your heart and brain. They protect your heart, improve brain function, and reduce body-wide inflammation. Omega-3s can also support healthy blood pressure and help your joints stay flexible. And lastly, zinc. It's essential for hormone balance, immune strength, and energy. Zinc also supports testosterone production and helps your body heal faster. Remember, getting older doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting smarter about your health. Your best years aren't behind you. With the right habits, they can still be ahead. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend who might need it. And for more simple, science-backed health tips. And don't forget to drop your age in the comments. I'm excited to get to know you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.